Good morning, dear students from 4th grade A. Last week we started working at EduSoft. You did some practices at Live Worksheets 2. You sent to me some emails I asked you to write, so you have your grades for those activities. This week we're going to work with our book, Prime Time number 4. So, we're going to start with the first unit, starter. During classwork we did activity number 1, number 2, and also we did activity number 3, but we couldn't finish it. So today we're going to continue with this activity. So let's see, page number 5, activity number 3, entertainment. In this activity, as you can see, as you know too, we're going to complete the blanks with those words we have here. So, while you are completing the blanks, I'm going to be explaining to you the meaning of some words that maybe you don't know or you don't remember, right? So, and we are going to start. So, please start completing the sentences. Audience. We know that audience is the public that we have when there is an event, right? Then we have the scene. The scene is the place where something happens. We have the scenery, that is the landscape and the view. We have the lighting. When talking about theater and cinema, the lighting is the equipment that provides illumination. Then we have performance. Performance is a word that we also use in Spanish. I'm really sure that we have listened to this word many times, right? So it means that how well a person or a machine does a piece of work, or how well a person or a machine does an activity, right? So during this time that we are doing our virtual work, I'm going to be grading your performance, how well you do the activities I'm asking you to do, right? At live worksheets and also in your book and workbook, right? We have the curtain, we have stage. We know that the stage is a place where anything is publicly exhibited or a remarkable affair occurs. We also call the stage the scene, right? Then we have props. Let me tell you that props is a noun that is in plural, so the singular is prop. It means that is all the accessories is used in a play or in an acting event, right? Then we have fame and icon. So we're going to start checking our answers. In number 1 we have Kylie Minogue is still a reigning in the world of pop music. Is still a reigning icon. Good. If you got your answer right, so you are going to check your answer. Please, it would be great if you use a green pen or a green color to check your answers. If you are right, please check it, right? Then we have, he's in charge of painting for the play. Painting the scenery, the landscape, right? Number 3, the twist at the end of the play was a complete surprise for the public, could be, and public is the audience an event has. 4. A lot of child actors achieve at a very young age. Achieve. What could they achieve? Fame. That's it. 5. The lead actor gave an excellent what do you think? How well this person worked. Performance. 6. Actors need to know the plan so they know where to stand. So when they are acting, where they should stay. Where is the best place to stay so people can watch at them, right? Lighting. At the beginning of the play, there were no actors on the stage. Good, easy, right? They brought down at the end of the play. The curtain at the end. The final of the film was very dramatic. The final scene. When the curtain rose, the only on the stage were a table, a chair, and a glass. This equipment, those accessories, props. So great. Remember that you have to check your answers with green pen or green color. Check please all your answers. If you check all of them, when I check your books, I'm going to know that you worked with me, right? Check all your answers, please. Okay, great. Check all of them.